Kunal, Naresh, great to have you join in today and wish you and your families a very happy Diwali once again from all of us. Nilesh still in the house right here. And Nilesh, we've covered beauty and the personal care segment. But what about your previous favorites? Liquor companies and Chakna, like Nikun says. See, we're getting sound effects as well on that already. Do they continue to stay put as part of your portfolio?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think clearly liquor, alcoholic beverages continues to be a huge opportunity. I mean, one is, of course, currently the domestic opportunity where the sector pretty much is agnostic to any downturns and obviously continues to do very well. But I think very interestingly in the last 1 year or so, the emergence of Indian-made single malt. That's a huge new category which is emerging, and that's finding its way into global markets. It's getting exported.
Radico.
Yeah, and just to kind of have a perspective that the global market, the premium whiskey market globally is at about $150 billion. India's exports is only $350 million. It's probably just 1.5%. Just imagine if that number becomes whatever 5% or something of the global market.
For the world's largest population.
Yes.
And largely malt and
absolutely. So I think they are discovering newer and newer frontiers. As they build new products, create new brands and scale new frontiers, I think the growth is very strong out there.
But would names like a Radico or a USL or even a Sula for that matter, would they be buys at these current levels? Because they've not fallen too much. I mean, there are those thematic ideas which you continue holding for, decades altogether.
Yeah, we currently own all three. And I think the investment thesis has not changed. Obviously, each of these companies, they have their own growth trajectories. Wine as a category is not growing at the pace at which, say, a single malt is growing. So those variations are there, but we clearly like the categories, and I think we will continue to own as long as we believe the company is a category defining company. I think that's for us is very, very important, and I think as long as that stays, we stay in.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.